Well, my dad sliced his finger open and our backyard flooded. Welcome back to our DIY ADU build. It seems like hardly anybody talks about this part the delays, the broken equipment, and the stuff that seems to go wrong every week. But somehow you just have to keep on going. We got to work digging our footings around the perimeter and where there's load bearing walls. To catch anybody up that's new to this channel, we're building a 749 square foot ADU in our backyard because our California mortgage is over $4,000 a month. So, to help get back ahead, we're building this ADU as a rental property. We'll continue documenting the entire process from start to finish, so tune in next time when we finish digging our footings and start to dig the trenches for our utilities. Oh, and don't worry, guys, my dad's thumb was fine after 5 stitches.